Very good evening. I am super excited to be taking this session for you all. A very warm welcome to all of you. Do I have any new faces here today? Or we are all same faces, nothing new? All right. Okay, so what's the main idea of our session today, right? What are we doing? These are the strategies that we're going to be dealing with, right? So we're going to have following discussions. What are we going to discuss? Setting your goals right, planning, time management, methodical working, using your resources, what can change, and a bit of brainstorming at the end. All right. So everybody excited about this? Let's get started. Okay, and I'm looking for a nice participation from all of you. This is not an an academic related session where I'm going to ask you questions and I'm expecting that you should answer and it has to be right. No, it's an active thing. We're all here to you're just here to get your thought process right. Okay, so let's keep it fun. Let's keep it interactive. You can ask me anything, and I'm definitely going to be asking you some things. We're going to do some interesting activities, and so it's the entire idea is to make it super fun. Okay, cool. We'll start. I want everybody to talk. Keep your mic. Other than the disturbance that would worry me, the background sound, I don't think I would be really worried if you guys had your mute, and unless there's some background sound. So get it on, get talking, get to know each other, and I would love to know you guys. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a lot of participation from you guys. Okay, we'll start with that positive note. And so what are we going to start first? Setting your goals right, no? All right. Now, I think what kind of a state or a mental state of mind are all of us in? A few of us, I wouldn't be pinpointing and say, I think I'm just going to give you some pointers, and I want you to apply it to your own self and figure out where you stand in all this. Okay, because you know yourself best. Okay, I can't be telling you, look, this is what you're doing, this is right, this is wrong. You know what you're doing. We're all adults, we all are very responsible, and you pretty much know how to go about preparing, right? You know it. There is some reason that's holding you back, and that's the reason that we're going to figure out what it is and how we're going to deal with it. So here are some pointers. Are you laid back? Are you distracted? A few of you overconfident that, I've done pretty well in my 4 years of BDS. I am the topper of the class. I am going to scale through easy. Or are you one of those who's less motivated and you feel that it's okay? Mila to sahi, nahi to it's okay. Kind of an attitude. Peer influence, yes. I always highlight this fact that if you are somebody who is preparing for entrance and if you have a very clear aim of MDS in your mind, your contacts, your company matters. And if you're possibly in the group which is chilled out, which is not preparing, management ka fees hai, paisa hai, papa ka paisa hai, main seat wahan se le lunga. Okay, then you're probably in the wrong company. Okay, it's a warning sign that you need to change the company. I'm not saying change your friends, leave your friends. No, I'm very sorry. I don't want friends coming back and finding me and saying, yeah, this is my friend's loss. I'm not saying that. It's about responsibly deciding what your future is. Stress. I think a lot of us go through this, right? Exam stress is like the most common issue that all of us face. So having highlighted these 6 pointers, I want all of you to just take a minute to sink in this, okay? And tell me where you stand in all this. You can message me. It doesn't have to be, and you have an option to personally send me messages, okay? It's like where others are not reading it. So it's fine if you don't want others to know it. But I want this active participation from all of you, and you guys are going to tell me what really are your concerns? Are you laid back? Are you distracted? Are you overconfident, less motivated, peer influence, stress? And it could be none of the above also. It's absolutely fine with me if it's none of this. You're doing the best you can and you know you're going to smash it. In that case, also is absolutely fine. If it is none of the above, you can give me none of the above also. Okay, I'm absolutely fine with that. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds for you to answer me this because I really want to know where you all stand. And that's the most important part of self-realization, to know what your concern is for us to be able to help you and figure out what it is. Correct? Okay, I have some interesting answers. I'm looking forward for some more participation. I think I have 32 students over here and I barely see, I think, about few of them messaging me. Looking for some more interaction. Come on, guys. Awesome. Good, good. I do feel a lot of you have laid back, less motivation, stress as a very important, I think most often, yes, amazing answers actually. Okay, cool. Now that you have actually realized what your issue is, okay, let's look at how we can really deal with this, okay? We will be taking each of this and we're going to cover it up in our future slides. But there's also one more aspect that I want to cover is, for those of you who are wanting to do the entrance exam, you're giving it your shot. You know, most of us get into internship and the very first thing we do is, it's like a passive process. I think everybody's okay with Hindi, all of you. It's not like I don't want to speak, it's just that comes in the flow, you know. So it's like, चलो यार 4 साल पढ़ ली, अभी हर कोई करता क्या है, पढ़ाई करते हैं, MDS करते हैं. It goes with the flow. It's a very passive thing. Many of us don't give it a very serious thought and a very passionate thing. You just go with the flow and say, yes, it's what everybody's doing, so I'm also doing the same thing. It's fine. And it works for many of them. I still remember there was, you know, during my association with the academy and coaching and, you know, career counseling in the last 10 years, I have come across a lot of students who have given it exam ऐसे, you know, ऐवे दे दिया, clear हो गए, state entrance में मिल गया, seat मिल गए, पढ़ भी लिए, MBS भी खत्म, बोलो. So it happens, it works for you. I'm not saying no, it's fine. But for those of you who are quite passionate, who want to do it, it's great. It's very clear. You have a clear-cut idea in your mind, so that's awesome. You know, for those who are still unsure and like I said, you're giving it passively, not being extremely clear in the upper space of your body, and feel like if not now, it's okay next year. What happens if it's fine here? It's okay. Agle saal de denge, kya badi baat hai? You know, so I wanted to highlight upon what really is the effects of losing 1 year. You know, what happens if you lose out on time? You know, that's one of the important factors I want to tell. And many of us don't take it seriously, but a couple of them do get affected and have the whole phase of self-rejection, you know. And let me tell you from my own experience, I got through higher education in dentistry after 3-year attempts. Okay, 3 years. I slogged my ass off 3 years. No? And every year I would go for the counseling, come back home dejected. And there would be this 1 week, 2 week, and 1 month of phase of overcoming, deciding what to do again. And let me tell you guys, and during these 3 years, I have possibly tried of all possible options. I have explored all options of on and off of dentistry. All right. So having gone through that, I would really be able to relate with a lot of people, you know, and always after exams, I have students who call me and say, I did not get a seat. Now what do I do? It's such a big question mark of your life. Okay. So there's this phase of self-rejection, which is a very difficult thing to handle. And then start over again to make up your mind, to be able to get back and say, I am going to do it again. It takes double the amount of motivation that you have right now. You are in a college atmosphere. You have a lot of motivation around you. You have some extremely great faculty in college whom you look up to, who are inspiring. And when you look up to them, you feel, even now, I know some of the great teachers who have taught me, and I wanted to be in their shoes, you know. I wanted to be there in college. I wanted to be talking. I wanted to be teaching. I wanted to be an oral surgeon doing surgeries. So all of you have, isn't it? I'm sure all of you have, right? You, when you look up to some of the faculty who have like done MBS, who've done PhD, and who've had these so many degrees across their names, and you want to be there too. How many of you feel that? You can just raise your hands.